In this video, we will see how we can use multimeter for measuring resistance. So as we can see, this is a resistor. These are the two wires, or we call it probe, and this is our multimeter. So currently it is in off position. So first of all, we will connect these two wires. So let's connect this wire here and this wire to this common terminal. Now this common terminal wire, we will connect it here, and this wire or this probe, we connect it here. Now let's turn on the multimeter. We have to take it here. This section is for measuring resistance. So here, when the knob is in this position, that time it can measure the resistance up to 200 ohm, and here it can measure up to 2000 ohm. Here 20 kilo ohm, here 200 kilo ohm, and here 2000 kilo ohm. So now we are not getting any reading, so that's why we will move it here. Now here we got the resistance value as 937. That means the value of this resistance is 937 ohm. So here we are getting the precise value. Now let's change the resistance. This resistor have a resistance of 7 ohm. This resistor have a resistance of 274 ohm. Now here we are not getting any reading, so what we will do, we will change it here, then here we are not getting the reading, then again let's change it again, still we are not getting any reading, so let's change it. So here we got the value of this resistor. Its resistance is 220 kilo ohm. Here we can see for this 200 kilo ohm, we can measure the resistance up to only 200 kilo ohm. So that's why for maximum resistance measuring, we have to use this 2000 kilo ohm, because the value of this resistance is more than 200 kilo ohm. So that's why we have to set the knob of this multimeter to here. Then let's change the resistance again. Here the value of this resistor is 1 ohm. Then here let's change it to here, then here still we are not getting any value, then again change the knob, then again, so here we are getting the precise value 31.4. so its resistance value is 31.4 kilo ohm. So here for this kilo ohm section, we have to put kilo ohm here. That means for this 20K, this 200K and this 2000K, we have to put kilo ohm as a unit. Again let's change the resistance. Now here its resistance value is 4.93 kilo ohm. So this is how we can measure the resistance of a resistor by using multimeter. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.